Mrs. Smith's class is learning about different volcanoes. Janine is giving a presentation on the volcano called Mount St. Helens. Listen to Janine's presentation. Janine. Mount St. Helens is a volcano in Washington State. Mount St. Helens has an elevation or height of 8,363 feet. It is a part of the Cascade Mountain Range. This volcano is about 3,000 years old, younger than the Egyptian pyramids. Its most destructive eruption happened on May 19, 1980. Look at question 10. What is the elevation of Mount St. Helens?